Stealing? I'm sending this to my mom. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so this is a kitchen. A lovely little dining table inside the kitchen. Everything looks lovely. This beautiful little living room. You even have this small little desk set up over here. Got this lovely leather couch.
That makes me warm already.
So lovely. Let's see the views.
Maybe tomorrow. Continue.
So over here, we have a closet.
And you forget, I need to go in. Not you, now go in.
Lovely. Nice shower. Nice little loo. Got
Pretty
a little
high
extractor
ceiling.
fan over there. Pretty high, yeah. Ow. And over here. That's the bedroom. Wonderful. Looks lovely. They even the pillows. Got a karate chop in.
Okay.
Some snacks also. Some little babies.
A few moments later.
Former Love Island star Molly-Mae Page and
What's yours?
Margarita or caramelized onions? Where I learned how to love onions.
What are you saying?
The feeling of a breakup, it's like a physical pain. Like your heart actually hurts.
Day 2.
It's almost. I've been practicing on Duolingo. Now you're like, oh, thanks, babe. You was right.
Eventually.
I want. Babe, come here quickly. Quickly. I said babe.
No. She's not your babe. No. We won!
Don't worry, let me come through on a... Yeah.
Much later.
Yeah, shame. Getting scammed. Yeah, we were playing that. There was this little girl who wanted to play with us. But she was cute. It's fine. Like, people can feel sorry for them, so she was also crying. It's reminding me of the young
Eggs.
Bye, love you very much.
You know I'm a sous chef. Or a real sous chef here. What the other spices did.
Much later.
This bottle. Listen to that sound.
The prosecution's case against Diddy, said Lisa Bonner, an entertainment lawyer and former litigator who was not involved in this case. The immunity order can indicate a very reluctant
Later that same evening.
We've got some Simple Asia. We have Joel's little baby wonton.
Looks so lonely.
Why did they only get one chopstick?
I don't think you did.
They must have run out. This is yours.
You ruined my Zoom. Ooh, nice.
Mine. 3, 2. It looks
Nice,
sad,
nice,
but
nice.
it tastes really good.
Mm.
How is it? It's good, hey?
This is the one.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Day 3.
Toast be ready.
Maybe I have to switch off the stove.
Yeah. Will you be able to take this big bag?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to double strap.
Just like that. We out.
Sure.
Yep.
That's calm.
What a beautiful lady, man.
Whoa. I'm 35.
Good little getaway.
Yes.
Just because you was in the video. Oh yeah.
Love you, baby.
Love you.